We're on our afternoon walk trying to get used to our surrounding, but I had to stop for that sunset because you know how much I'm obsessed with sunset. So I just had to stop and get it. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's breakfast time with my babies.
Hi guys.
Tyler, say hello. Say good morning. Good boy. It's breakfast time with the boys. So we're gonna grub and we'll see you guys in a bit. We just finished having breakfast and about to get some stuff done around here. Can you believe that we are the end of October and this is what I am wearing outside right this minute? That's crazy and awesome. So yeah, we're about to get some stuff done. This right here is the separation from this side to the neighbors, so we're about to use some like paper wallpaper material to try and cover this because I don't like the one that is there. It looks like some kind of shower curtain thing going on and I'm not a fan of that, so we're about to change that right now. And I'm just waiting on hubby to come. But happy Tuesday, you guys. Happy Tuesday, and hope you're enjoying my amazing view. That's amazing. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result of this side, which turned out awesome. I loved it. But on the other side, let me show you. I thought this is the other side. Yay! We ran out of paper for down the bottom. Hey, come. We ran out of paper for the bottom, so we're gonna have to go back and get paper to cover the bottom part. So we're gonna have to do that one this week. Yeah, so that's the DIY project for today. We're on our way to the park. There's a little park or a big park, I don't know what size it is, attached to our building. So we're going there with Tyler to see what it looks like. No swing.
Mama?
Yes, baby. So we're finally at the park, and I'm a bit disappointed because there's everything else except swing. The sun, I can't see. There's no swing, and that's Tyler's favorite. So I was hoping there would be a swing, but that's okay. We'll utilize what we have. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here a little bit.
the fact that the sun set here, we can't see it from home.
Remember that we are not in the corner, we are just here. Focus, focus, focus on me. Good. And now I can't see because I was looking directly in the sun. Look at your face. Can't fix your face. You look terrible. You guys, we're on our afternoon walk trying to get used to our surrounding, but I had to stop for that sunset because you know how much I'm obsessed with sunset. So I just had to stop and get it to show you guys how beautiful that was. So yeah, we're just strolling around. In 2 seconds, it's gone. It's almost disappeared completely. Look at that. That's amazing. Look at that, babe. It's gone. Look at that. I am going to show you guys how I gave my husband a haircut. You guys, I have been cutting my husband hair ever since we met. He has never gone to a barber shop. I cut his hair for our wedding. People didn't believe me. I cut his hair every week for work. Well, ever since we met for the past 5 years, I cut his hair.
Every 2-3 weeks.
Well, every 2-3 weeks. My job here is D-O-N-E. Done. Enjoy watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe to our channel if it's your first time. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.